how to create a post-divorce financial plan. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. Divorce brings major financial changes, and having a solid plan can make all the difference in securing your future. Without a clear strategy, you risk running into unexpected financial struggles. Let's go over how to create a post-divorce financial plan that keeps you on track. The first step is assessing your new financial reality. Your income, expenses, and financial responsibilities may have changed significantly. Start by listing your monthly income, including wages, spousal support, or child support, and compare it to your new living expenses. This will help you understand where you stand and prevent overspending. We've worked with clients who didn't adjust their lifestyle after divorce and found themselves in financial trouble. In one case, a client continued living as if they still had a dual-income household, only to realize months later that they were relying too heavily on credit cards. Had they created a realistic budget early on, they could have avoided unnecessary debt. To set yourself up for financial success, follow these steps. First, update your budget, factor in new housing costs, insurance, and any support payments. Second, separate financial accounts, close joint credit cards, and refinance any shared debts. Third, plan for the future. Adjust retirement contributions, update beneficiaries on accounts, and start rebuilding savings. At Divorce 661, we help clients navigate the financial side of divorce so they can move forward with confidence. If you need help structuring your post-divorce financial plan, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you take control of your finances and plan for a secure future.